Yo guys, I'm still shocked. I'm still shocked. Ideribe sizophela ngampela. I'm still shocked ukuthi ulindwe ngampela ubulele wonke umndeni wakaHlophe. Bengayitshela ukuthi uzombulala nokhwezi kodwa ke it is what it is. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 7th to the 11th of August 2023 on Monday. Dimpoooo Beckles with shock and a heavy heart. Detective Moeti tried to put the puzzle pieces together on Tuesday. Detective Moeti has some disturbing news for Lindiwe. The Mokwenas are worried about Dimpoooo on Wednesday. The Mokwenas don't know how to get through Dimpoooo, forcing Gidiboni to turn to an unlikely early on Thursday. While preparations for the memorial service are underway, help for Dimpoooo comes from an unlikely stranger on Friday. Zanotando's future hangs in the balance while Dimpoooo has to come to terms with her own grief. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.